Style this budget pixie with me. So after wigging, this is how it looks. So let's style it. We'll be going with our Luta body, hair serum, Luda conditioner, our octopus brush, and our hair comb. So what is in this bottle is conditioner mixed with water. Yes, my spray bottle had an issue. The nozzle is not pressing very well, so I have to use an empty container to mix the leave-in conditioner and water. So spread generously on the hair. Spread generously, section by section. If you take a section, spread generously on the hair and detangle with your fingers first. Detangle with your fingers first. Make sure you spread the leave-in conditioner and water generously on the hair. Then you detangle with your hair, section by section. That's how you do it. Each section till you are done. So after sectioning, this is how it looks like. I've sectioned and conditioned with leave-in conditioner and water. So I'm trying to work on the closure now with my rattle comb. Then try to work on the closure, because the closure needs more detangling than the body, because you know the closure is a vented closure. So you have to take your time while working with the closure. You have to take your time so that it will rhyme. Now during ventilation, the coils will scatter. So it's when you are styling it that you arrange the coils to meet up again with the remaining coils. So after that, you apply conditioner on the closure. Only conditioner, don't mix with water, just apply conditioner on the closure part so that you can detangle it properly. Yes, if you apply leave-in conditioner and water, it might not bring back the coils. I'm trying to tell you that the coils was ventilated here. So now you need leave-in conditioner and water to bring back. You need only conditioner, sorry, not leave-in conditioner and water, only conditioner to bring back that coils. So as I'm combing now, you see that I'm not combing to the roots. You just comb half, because you cannot use this small rattle comb to go all through the hair. So that's it. After combing, go in again with your leave-in conditioner and water. This time spray it generously, because you have finished detangling. It is time to style, so spread it generously across the hair. Leave-in conditioner, spread it generously. In fact, marinate leave-in conditioner and water with the hair. Let them marry each other. I don't know if you understand. So after marinating it, then you go in with your white tooth comb. Start combing from the tips and work your way through the up. Start combing from the tips and work your way through the up. Comb it very well. Make sure there is no way there is tangle at all. That is how you will comb. The reason why I'm starting from top some places is because I've already detangled this hair before. So now, after combing it with white tooth comb, then you go in with your, what they call it again, hair mouse. So let's define the coils now. Hair mouse, we usually use Luta body mouse to define the coils. Then you define the coils. Go in with your octopus brush. Use your octopus brush to define the coils. Yes, if you go in with your octopus brush, then you take the coils back, like, so that it will not look straight, so that the pixie pattern will still be there. After combing, you use your hand and scrunch it. That's the language. Anyone, but you are seeing what I'm doing. Go in with your octopus brush from the top to the bottom, then scrunch. English. Then scrunch it. Anyone it is, just look at what I'm doing. That is what you do to the rest of the hair to achieve that your defined coils on your budget pixie. So if you like this video, follow me for more tips on how to maintain, style your luxury hairs and budget hairs. I'm still your baby girl Oge of the Light Hairs by Oge. So stay tuned. So now I'm going with your holding spray on the closure part, so that use it and pat the closure very well, and make sure that the closure is standing out and well. English. So that's it. So after that, cover with your net. Make sure you arrange the coils inside the net properly. Yes, this is as I'm doing in this video now. I'm trying to arrange the coils inside the net, yes, because we are covering it with the net and we want that defined pixie curl. So this is the budget pixie that I just styled. Do you see it? Do you see how fine the cost is? I see it. I see it.